inside my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to show you another home remedy which you can use to get rid of your uterine fibroid. I made a video last week about a home remedy for uterine fibroid. I'm going to put a link here so you can go and check that video. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can use your onions and your garlic to get rid of that fibroid. Okay, onions and garlic, there are two ingredients that we normally have in our kitchen. A lot of us use it to cook our meal. So onion and garlic, they have a compound that is being found in them that is called organosulfur. This organosulfur has the power, has a tendency to destroy any kind of tumor, including fibroid. So I know that the smell of garlic and onion is like, it's awful, guys. The smell is awful. But we have one thing we have to put in our mind. We are doing this just because we want to get rid of something. Okay, we are doing it for our own benefit. We are doing it for our own health. So I would just say that just bear in mind, all right? I know it's not easy to take these things like raw. Okay, it's not easy to take it raw, but yeah, as we go along the video, we're going to see how we can use these items. So guys, this garlic and onion, it works magic. Believe me or not, it is a miracle. Like these two things combined together, if you take it, you're going to get rid of your fibroid completely. Okay, so please, if you have these two items at home, give it a try. There's no harm in trying. There's no harm in trying at all. Give it a try and see how your fibroid in your uterus, how it has progressed. If it's getting rid of it completely or there's still some there, just give it a try. So let me go straight ahead and tell you the method of preparation. If you cannot chew these garlic and onions like that, which of course I will not even recommend you chewing it, but it's possible you can chew it, all right? But for me, I don't think I can chew it. So if you cannot chew it, you can blend it. You blend, and let me tell you guys something. If you want to use your onions right, the one I'm having here is red onions. You don't need red onions, you need white onions. I'm going to put the screen on. I want to put it on the screen so you can see the kind of onion I'm talking about. You need white onions for this home remedy, because we know that different colors of onions, they have different benefits and they have different properties which they contain. So white onions is the onions you're going to be using for this home remedy. And of course you need your garlic. So you take you take your garlic and your onions, you blend it. So if you're using one bulb of garlic, you want to make sure you use a big size of onions. Blend it together in the blender. Make sure you extract the juice after you blend it. All right, and let me show you how you're going to take it every day, each day, right? This is 1 glass full and this is half glass. Here is half glass, right? You'll be taking half of half. That means you'll be taking a quarter glass, somewhere around here, a quarter glass of this juice. You make your juice out of onions and garlic, and you will take a quarter glass 2 to 3 times a day. It's not a full glass, it's not half glass, quarter glass of the juice. That means when you when you blend it in the blender, you want to make sure you extract the juice. You put it maybe in a cheesecloth and squeeze out the juice. Okay, you take quarter glass of it 2 to 3 times a day. And when you take it 2 to 3 times a day, you take it for 3 to 4 weeks. Do not exceed 3 to 4 weeks. Make sure you take it for 3 to 4 weeks, and you want to go back and check with your doctor, do the ultrasound, do that scan, and check if there's still that fibroid in your uterus. All right, do not exceed. Whenever you're doing whatever home remedy you're doing, always make sure you go back and check with your doctor. So like I told you, do not forget, make sure the measurement, don't take half glass or don't take a full glass, take half of half, that is a quarter glass. Very important, 2 to 3 times a day, and take it for 3 to 4 weeks. All right, so this is the home remedy I wanted to bring to you today for fibroid. It works wonder. Share this video, share and help a soul, help a sister. It means a lot. It's absolutely free to hit that share button. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video to this time. I appreciate you a lot. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gay James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. It's right down below this video in red, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video you will get notified and you won't miss out any of my video at all. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. I'll see you again in my next video. To have a blessed day. Bye.